from scratch. Today we will be making a game called Jump. So create a new project. Delete the cat. Put the castle level 1, castle level 2, and castle level 3 back drops in the stage, and then put the knight in the game. And then so now we go on to the knight sprite. Start with a when green flag clicked block. So I'd like you to delete the my variable and make 3 new variables. The first one needs to be called run speed, and it's for all sprites. And then jump speed. Full sprites again. And once more on ground. And full sprites. Click the text on all the variables to disable them from going on the stage. And then drag when jump set run speed block, and then it needs to be 0. And the jump speed, and finally grab another set 2 block. And now choose on ground. And finally go to the scripts area and enter these coordinates. Go to x minus 210, y minus 100. And then put a repeat until block. And then put the colour you used for the door. What's the colour you used for the door? And grab a change X by block and change Y by block. And And these two blocks will control the position of the player. Put a jump speed block into the Y bit. Put the run speed into the X bit. And then had to change jump speed blocking and enter it -1. Now test your project and see what happens. Okay, so now it's the end of the page. Rename your project.
Ben, I'm going to go on your bark, okay?
And I'm going to save a copy for part 2. So now I'm going to go to my stuff and I'm going to do a copy of of part 1 and name it Jump V1.4. And that's it for this tutorial. I'm gonna make a little starter pack for you to put your sprites in. Got that?